What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be checking out the new Animal Company Arena update. I'm so excited because this is going to be huge, and I think a lot of people will like Animal Company way more because of this update. So I'm going to try to find the actual plays on how to get there, but I'll catch you back right here when I do. Alright guys, so I found where to go to the new arena mode. So what you need to do is you need to come over to the computer, and where it says mode, just click arena. And yes, it is in beta, so it might be a little laggy. But yeah, now I'm in. Wait, hold on. So it looks like we got a whole new map. It's kind of bland. I like how the trees and stuff are textured, but I think it could just be a little more detailed all around. It's just oh well, I guess it does say prototype, so I guess it's not fully done yet. I'm gonna go into a random and then just play. Whoa.
Oh shit. Okay.
Red team, I guess.
Yeah, look at you guys trying to switch to blue team because y'all suck. Wait, guys, how can you break this into the battle? How can you break this to the battle? Hey, don't battle.
Yo, can you guys not cuss? I'm trying to record a video.
Bring it to the battle.
I'm trying to record a video, guys. Don't curse, okay?
Oh, how you bring it to the battle? Just spam it.
See that? No, I think what you have to do. I'm sorry.
No.
Dang it. What
What the? Thank you.
Break the orbs.
Break the orbs? Where? Oh, yo! Intruder!
Already!
I died. No. Wait, I gotta go get him. I'm having a shotgun this time. Shotty is like a melody in my head. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh.
Camper. Yo, this is Rick Speed though, Rick Speed.
Bro.
Rick Speed.
Why is it so hard?
You suck buttons.
Camper.
Hey man, that's not very kind. You alright, see a kid? Good. Another kid right here. He's dead. Oh, I'm out of ammo. I'm dead. Yo, I'm dying a lot, guys. Funny.
McDonald's!
Dead. Killed him. Oh, I got XP. Yo, I need to step up my game, bro. I'm kind of getting cooked right now. It's gonna do.
Someone right here!
Ah! Bro, what is this? Yo, this is actually so fun though. The strategy involved with this?
Today's Genie Day!
Break it.
Get out, yeah! Report him!
Dead? I don't think I killed him, but...
Oh my
gosh.
Bro needs to chill. Oh my days.
I'm just... What do you mean base camper?
Yo, free speed!
Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. My first game.
Not ready.
We ain't Chuck Norris's. Oh my gosh. I'm not trying to let the fact that I suck kind of ruin my game. But it's kind of bringing it down a lot for me. Just the amount of skill these kids have kind of concerns me. They might need to take a shower.
10 deaths.
Or get
That's not good.
dynamite. Oh my gosh.
One of my revolvers. Oh, I didn't drop
I'm just trying to destroy your bases. GG's.
Dropped his ass.
Nigga.
Whoa, yo, stop.
It's a 1v50.
But we
Dropped his ass.
Dad.
You're honestly so bad. You're honestly so bad.
Oh, he was gonna rev me.
Oh my gosh. I don't like how.
Mine.
Buddy, let it in my hands off!
Half of your things.
My was so bad. I deleted half of their
How are kids seeing me? I'm better with revolvers.
I'm on vacation. I'm sick of this. I'm on vacation. That's not what this is.
Stingle dingle.
Get him. He's one shot.
Ballerina cappuccino. No. That shuts him up. GG's, guys. Yo, GG's. I'm going to a new lobby. Bye. Yo, that lobby was so toxic.
Buddy gets
No, stop.
Why did he change the red team? Why did he change the red team?
I'm such a race fan. Can y'all hear me? Cause I'm in the map. I'm in.
Teams are locked in.
I'm a car.
Good job.
Oh, you buy from here still.
Hey, long arms, guys. Hey, long arms.
Kind of like
Hey,
an
long
out of
arms,
the
guys.
ass.
Hey, long arms.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, March Dead? No, I died! I'm helping though, I'm helping. We got base campers though, that's not good. Where are these kids coming from?
Yeah, you should honestly probably protect your base.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna stay back and wait for kids to like...
Cause someone's gonna end up blowing you. Your base. Oh wait, what? Come. Help!
Alright.
I have a wife and a family.
I kinda don't like
Tiny
this.
little asses.
I never thought those could be useful.
I don't know, this mode is kinda bad. Yo, how's he big? Dead?
Red, let's go, man.
Dead? I don't gotta rub it in, bro.
What did Rose Barney just do? $200.
Okay. We always gotta end on a win.
In the hall. Don't eat ass. In the hall. Don't get bombed. In the hall. Even though you already did. You're gonna bomb. I took the bomb.
200. Hit marker? No, no, no. Why? I'm gonna sell my team.
Don't.
One more crew.
What is
Go, let's go.
this?
Don't be.
Now you're
Alright, so far this is like a, I don't know, I'm just bad at it.
Dude, what the
Yo,
fuck?
yo.
everyone go, everyone go.
Stick attack! What the fuck?
Get tough.
How? The kids keep like, yes! Victory! Victory! Victory!
Fucking go!
Yes! Yes! We're the number one!
Let's go, bro.
We're
Alright.
number one!
No one's on my team.
We're number
Back in the
one
day.
forever! And I'll say you're...
I don't even know whose team I'm on.
Cardio. Okay, random code. But yeah, I don't know if I really like that. It's still in beta. I'm sure it's gonna get better, but it might just be a lack of skill. But I don't know. I feel like I saw the vision, but they didn't really pull it off very well. It kind of just like I think you need either more or less HP because kids can either one-shot you with the shotguns or just like never kill you, or when you like have the dualies you can never kill anyone with the pistols. So yeah, I think they need to like balance out the they need to balance out the number of HP you have, like depending on what weapon you're using. Like I think depending on the weapon you're using, like the either more or little HP you have. Because if you're using a shotgun, you could like just one tap everyone. So you should have like a little less health than when you have like a revolver or something. Because when you have a revolver, you can't like when you're up close, you can't like one tap someone. So you're kind of more vulnerable than you are without the shotgun. So yeah, those are just my thoughts. I would rate this like a, I don't know, 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. I just don't really like it that much. It's also just my lack of skill. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.